This is the South China Sea. May mga pating dyan.
Hi, madla!
Hello, madlang people.
Hello, madla!
People. Asan na yung drone? Ayun.
Where?
Yung drone. Wildflower. Are you a wildflower? Or wild fern? So, pa more.
It's so amazing!
Ayan, lapit lang. Rocky formation. Volcanic eruption. Those are from the volcanic eruption. A million years ago. Uy, baka makalaysi ako dito sa mga inchik na to. Bilisan nyo, may inchik, baka makalaysi tayo. Bilisan nyo, may inchik, baka may laysi.